AI tools for visually impaired individuals enhancing accessibility and independence. Welcome to our course from Madhav University all about AI accessibility. We're here to show you how technology is making a big difference in the lives of visually impaired individuals. In this tutorial, we will explore various AI tools and apps specifically designed to empower visually impaired individuals. These tools leverage artificial intelligence to enhance accessibility, communication, navigation, and more. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to use these tools to improve your daily life and gain greater independence. Tool 1. VoiceOver, iOS, or TalkBack, Android, screen readers. What is it? VoiceOver, iOS, and TalkBack, Android, are built-in screen readers that convert on-screen text into spoken words, enabling blind users to navigate their devices. How to use it? Enable accessibility. Go to Settings, Accessibility greater than VoiceOver, iOS, or TalkBack, Android, and turn it on. Navigate. Use gestures to navigate through menus, options, and apps. Swipe, tap, and use two-finger gestures for various actions. Read text. Tap on any text to have VoiceOver or TalkBack read it aloud. Explore settings. Both tools offer customization options in accessibility settings to adjust speech rate, voice, and more. Tool 2. Seeing AI, iOS, or Envision AI, iOS, Android, object recognition. What is it? These apps use AI to identify and describe objects in real time, providing users with information about their surroundings. How to use it? Download and install. Search for and install Seeing AI, iOS, or Envision AI, iOS, Android, from your App Store. Open the app, point your device's camera towards an object, and the app will identify and describe it audibly. Explore modes. These apps offer different modes like text, scene, and person, which provide specific information based on the mode selected. Tool 3. Be My Eyes, iOS, Android, remote assistance. What is it? Be My Eyes connects blind users with sighted volunteers who provide real-time assistance through video calls. How to use it? Download and install. Search for and install Be My Eyes from your App Store. Sign up, create an account and specify your visual impairment level. Request help. When you need assistance, open the app and connect with a volunteer who can help you via a video call. Tool 4. Google Assistant, iOS, Android, or Siri, iOS, voice assistants. What is it? Google Assistant and Siri are voice-controlled virtual assistants that can perform tasks and provide information. How to use it? Activate Voice Assistant. For Google Assistant, say, Hey Google. For Siri, say, Hey Siri, or long press the home button. Give commands, ask for weather updates, set reminders, send messages, and more using voice commands. Navigate settings. Both assistants allow you to navigate through device settings, send texts, make calls, and access various features using voice commands. Tool 5. Lazarillo, iOS, Android, GPS navigation for blind users. What is it? Lazarillo is an AI-powered navigation app that helps blind individuals navigate outdoor and indoor spaces. How to use it? Download and install. Search for and install Lazarillo from your App Store. Open the app, use the app to explore your surroundings and receive audio directions for walking or using public transport. Enable indoor navigation. Lazarillo can guide you within buildings like malls and airports using Bluetooth beacons. Tool 6. KNFB Reader, iOS, Android, text recognition and reading. What is it? KNFB Reader uses OCR technology to convert printed text into spoken words, allowing users to access printed materials. How to use it? Download and install. Search for and install KNFB Reader from your App Store. Open the app, point your device's camera towards printed text, and the app will read it aloud. Adjust settings, customize voice settings, reading speed, and navigation options according to your preferences. Tool 7. TapTapSee, iOS, Android, object recognition through photos. What is it? TapTapSee uses AI to identify and describe objects in photos taken by the user. How to use it? Download and install. Search for and install TapTapSee from your App Store. Capture an image. Use the app to take a photo of an object, and it will provide an audio description of the object. Explore options. TapTapSee offers features like repeat, share, and history for a better user experience. Tool 8. Voice Dream Reader, iOS, Android, text-to-speech for various formats. What is it? Voice Dream Reader converts digital text from ebooks, documents, and websites into spoken words. How to use it? Download and install. Search for and install Voice Dream Reader from your App Store. Import content, import ebooks, documents, or copy-paste text from websites into the app. Choose voice and settings, customize voice, speech rate, and navigation options to suit your preferences. Tool 9. Blind Square, iOS, location-based information and navigation. What is it? Blind Square uses GPS and data from Foursquare to provide location-based information and navigation. How to use it? Download and install. Search for and install Blind Square from the App Store. Explore your surroundings. The app announces nearby points of interest, streets, and intersections. Plan routes. Blind Square helps plan routes, locate shops, restaurants, and more in your vicinity. Tool 10. Ira, iOS, Android, remote visual assistance. What is it? Ira connects users to trained agents who provide assistance via live video calls. How to use it? Download and install. Search for and install Ira from your App Store. Sign up, create an account and choose a subscription plan. Request assistance. Use the app to connect with an agent for help with tasks like reading labels, finding items, or navigating unfamiliar places. Tool 11. Microsoft Soundscape, iOS, 3D audio navigation. What is it? Microsoft Soundscape uses 3D audio to provide spatial information about your surroundings. How to use it? Download and install. Search for and install Microsoft Soundscape from the App Store. Open the app. Explore your surroundings using audio cues that indicate the location of points of interest. Use headphones. Soundscape works best with stereo headphones for an immersive experience. Tool 12. Lookout, Android, object and text recognition. What is it? Lookout is an app by Google that uses AI to identify objects, text, and more, providing audio descriptions. How to use it? Download and install. Search for and install Lookout from the Google Play Store. Open the app, point your device's camera towards objects or text, and the app will audibly describe them. Explore modes. Lookout offers different modes for various scenarios like daily life, food, and text recognition. Tool 13. Lazarillo, iOS, Android, public transport navigation. What is it? In addition to outdoor navigation, Lazarillo provides assistance with navigating public transportation. How to use it? Open the app, launch the Lazarillo app and use it to access information about nearby bus stops, train stations, and more. Plan routes. Enter your destination to receive detailed instructions for using public transport, including bus numbers and stop locations. Tool 14. Brailleback, Android, Braille keyboard support. What is it? Brailleback is an accessibility service that enables visually impaired users to type using a Braille display. How to use it? Enable accessibility. Go to Settings, Accessibility greater than Brailleback and turn it on. Connect Braille display. Pair your Android device with a supported Braille display. Type in Braille. Use the Braille display to type messages, emails, and other content. Tool 15. VoiceIt, iOS, Android, speech recognition for non-standard speech. What is it? VoiceIt is an app that translates non-standard speech into clear, understandable speech. How to use it? Download and install. Search for and install VoiceIt from your App Store. Open the app. Train the app to recognize your unique speech patterns and phrases. Speak clearly. Use the app to communicate with others, and it will translate your speech into understandable words. Tool 16. CamFind, iOS, Android, visual search and recognition. What is it? CamFind uses visual recognition technology to identify objects and provide information about them. How to use it? Download and install. Search for and install CamFind from your App Store. Capture an image. Use the app to take a photo of an object, and it will provide information about it. Explore results. The app will offer details about the object, including related products and web search results. Tool 17. Blind Square Event, iOS, event-specific navigation. What is it? This version of Blind Square focuses on helping visually impaired individuals navigate events, conferences, and gatherings. How to use it? Download and install. Search for and install Blind Square event from the App Store. Use at events. Open the app during events to receive real-time location information, session schedules, and points of interest specific to the event. Tool 18, Buspecular, iOS, Android, Visual Help Exchange. What is it? Buspecular connects visually impaired users with sighted volunteers who provide assistance by answering questions via text or audio. How to use it? Download and install. Search for and install Buspecular from your App Store. Ask questions. Use the app to ask questions about objects, colors, or scenarios, and volunteers will respond with helpful descriptions. Tool 19, Roger Voice, iOS, Android, Captioned Phone Calls. What is it? Roger Voice provides captions for phone calls, enabling users to read what the caller is saying in real time. How to use it? Download and install. Search for and install Roger Voice from your App Store. Sign up, create an account and follow the instructions to set up the app for captioned phone calls. Make calls. Use the app to make and receive calls, with captions displayed as text on the screen. Tool 20, Looktel Money Reader, iOS, Android, Currency Recognition. What is it? Looktel Money Reader uses AI to identify currency notes, allowing users to distinguish between different denominations. How to use it? Download and install. Search for and install Looktel Money Reader from your App Store. Hold up note. Hold the currency note in front of your device's camera, and the app will identify the denomination audibly. Tool 21, Microsoft Office Lens, iOS, Android, Document Scanning and Reading. What is it? Microsoft Office Lens scans documents and converts them into readable text using OCR technology. How to use it? Download and install. Search for and install Microsoft Office Lens from your App Store. Scan document, capture a photo of a document, receipt, or whiteboard, and the app will convert it into editable text. Read or save. Read the text aloud using a screen reader or save it as a digital document for later reference. By incorporating these AI tools and apps into your daily routine, you can further enhance your accessibility and independence as a visually impaired individual. Each tool serves a unique purpose, ranging from object recognition and text-to-speech to navigation and remote assistance. Experiment with these tools, explore their features, and discover how they can make a positive impact on various aspects of your life. Remember, these AI technologies are designed to empower you and help you navigate the world with greater confidence and ease. Thank you.